The whooping crane, Grus americana, is the tallest bird in North America. It also came closer than almost any other species to the brink of extinction. Description: one of the most notable features of the whooping crane is their height. At 5 feet tall and having a wingspan of 7 to 8 feet, this crane is the tallest bird in North America. Both males and females are primarily white, with a red cap and black legs. The bills and wing tips are also black. Juveniles are white below with mottled rusty colors above. As with most cranes, this species has long legs, necks, and bills. The name whooping crane comes from the distinctive shrill, loud, bugle-like call. This call is used primarily during courtship, which occurs in their northern breeding range. Behavior and breeding. Historically, whooping cranes have breeding grounds from Alberta, southern Saskatchewan, and Manitoba, as well as parts of North Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, and Illinois. They would later migrate down to the southern United States for the winter. Today, their range is much reduced. Within their range, whooping cranes prefer shallow, graded river areas and wetlands. They often use wet meadows, agricultural fields, marsh habitats, and shallow rivers to feed. Nebraska is one of the only places where whooping cranes spend a considerable amount of time in rivers. Migration north begins between April and mid-June. Breeding pairs perform courtship dances that form monogamous lifelong pairs. Usually 2 eggs are laid, though it is rare for more than 1 chick to be raised. After an incubation period of 33 days, chicks will hatch. Whooping cranes can run and swim within 2 hours of hatching. Parents stay with their young until another nest is created. Young travel with their parents south in November when they return to their winter grounds. It is important for whooping cranes to consume enough food to make it through the long migration. Diet and predators. Their diet is broad and may consist of crustaceans, fish, berries, seeds, nuts, insects, amphibians, reptiles, and small mammals. Crustaceans, fish, and plant materials are eaten largely in the winter and along winter migration, with a more varied diet in the rest of the year. Members of this species must watch out for several predators as well. For young, this includes bobcats, raccoons, eagles, snakes, foxes, coyotes, and wolves. Adults have much fewer predators, but are still in danger from larger carnivores. Although it is rare, alligators may occasionally consume adult whooping cranes. Causes of decline. Though they were never common, whooping cranes once had a population of as many as 20,000 individuals, a far cry from the mere 800 individuals found today. Historically, whooping cranes were overhunted for their feathers, which were prized in the millinery trade. These birds were also hunted for sport and meat. Prairies being converted to agriculture has also affected the species. Little was done to protect these birds until the Migratory Bird Treaty Act of 1918. Unfortunately, the population continued to decline until a mere 15 individuals were alive in 1941. For many species, this would mean extinction, but through an incredible effort of protection and captive breeding efforts, the species has been saved. In these efforts, caretakers dressed as whooping cranes when raising the chicks. Today, numbers are stable but still low. The population today is still considered endangered and is threatened by illegal hunting, power line collisions, habitat degradation, and low genetic diversity. This has been the tale of a species brought back from the brink of extinction.